Hey there, I'm Christina with Line Beats Digital, and I ran across your website doing research in the area, and I figured I'd send you a quick video to show you how you can increase your income with your website, show you how to get way more customers and rank higher in Google. So yes, I want to share that with you today. I have owned a few businesses in the past, so I understand the stress of not having consistent stream of income coming in every month, and I want to bring peace in that aspect. So I want to share with you three things. They'll be content, citations, and backlinks. So let's go ahead and get started. Content is everything that you see that is highlighted here. It's the words, it's the pictures, and it's also the words behind the pictures. So looking at the words on your page, it looks like you have around 300 words on your page. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on your home page, and on your services pages, around 500 to 750 words. Now, I know that seems a little wordy, but Google loves content, and not just any content, but keyword-rich content. So the keywords are basically what the customers are looking for when they are putting in a Google search and they are looking for your services. So that is one tip. And then another tip is how your pictures are saved. And here your pictures are saved correctly. That's great. Having your pictures saved as your keywords are very good, and it helps Google rank you and see you. So that is a couple tips that I have for you about your content. The next thing that I wanted to share with you is about citations. So citations will bring us to this section here, the map section. But before we get there, I wanted to share a little bit about paid advertisements. So paid advertisements are great, but they are only great when they're used supplemental. So using them as your whole piece of your marketing effort is not good, because you can miss out on a big chunk of your audience. And that is because there are a lot of people that have ad blockers installed on their web browsers, so they don't see the advertisement at all. And also there are people that just scroll right past the advertisements, because that is just how it is these days. A lot of people just ignore the advertisements. So that is just a couple things I wanted to share about paid ads. Now let's go ahead and get into the map section. So the map section is very good to be ranked higher in, because that is where a lot of potential clients click on your listing. One of the keys to getting higher in this section is by citations. And so let me share with you about what citations are. They are essentially your name, your address, and your phone number. So that is a citation, and putting these citations around the web in different directories are one of the keys to helping you rank higher in the map section. And for example, in different directories being Yelp or even Facebook, getting those citations that your competition is getting and more will help you beat them and rank higher here. So that is what I wanted to share with you about citations. The next thing that I wanted to share with you is about backlinks, and that leads us to the organic search section. So as you can see in the organic search section, this is where you want to be. This is where your goal should be. This is where you see as the companies here, this is where they're getting a lot of business, is by being on the first page of Google. And I want to show you exactly how is that in a second. So let me give you some insight into your backlink profile. That is how you, that is one of the keys of getting on the first page of Google. I'm using a helpful tool called Ahrefs. It's a few $100s a month, but it is very useful to seeing information about websites and where you are at and where you have been. So this is your backlink profile. You have 50 backlinks and 17 referring domains, and organically you're getting 82 potential clients to your website every month. So this is your backlink profile, and I'm going to show you a little bit about your keywords and how you're ranking for your keywords. So your keywords are like, let's see, let me give you a little insight. Okay, Benson Roofing. or Garner Roofing. Garner Roofing, 200 people search for that. Approximately 200 people search for that every month, and you're not seeing any of that because you are on the third page of Google for this keyword term. Roofing contractors in Cary, as you can see here, 40 people search for that. Residential roofing, 20 people search for that. And let's see, I am going to specifically put in Raleigh to show you exactly for that area what you are missing out on and what you can get. So for Raleigh, okay, well, the keywords, you do not have any keyword terms that you're ranking for Raleigh at all, but it seems as if you are ranking for well, let's see, you're not ranking for any keywords for any of the surrounding areas, but you are in like here we go, roofing contractors Raleigh NC. 100 people search for that every month, and you're not seeing any of that traffic because you're really back there, probably on the 6th page of Google. So I just wanted to give you some insight on where you're at when it comes to keyword terms and how you pull up when people search for your services excuse me, in Google. And then I'm going to give you some insight into one of your top competition. This is Baker Roofing, and as you can see, they have 184 backlinks and 33 referring domains. Now, backlinks are just links to other websites, but they are not just any links. It has to be high authority websites, and yes, that helps with ranking you higher. So it's not just about the quantity, but it's also about the quality. So this is Baker Roofing. This is what they have, and they're getting 682 prospective clients to their website every month because of how they're ranking organically. They're on the first page for a lot of keyword terms. So this is what they're getting because of it, and I'm going to show you a breakdown of a few of the keywords that they're ranking for. So as you can see here, for Raleigh Roofer, there's approximately 300 people searching for that keyword term alone every month, and they're getting around 45 clicks of that every month because they're in the first page of Google. Roofing Companies Raleigh, 300 people search for that one every month. They're getting 42 prospective clients from that. Roofing Raleigh NC, 100 people search for that, and they're getting almost half of that of those people that search for that every month. So as you can see, they're getting a lot of potential clients from these keyword terms, and this is what you are potentially missing out on. This is the big chunk of a pie. So you could be getting this by ranking higher on Google. You could be seeing way more clients come into the door. As you can see here, a lot of people search for these services, but they're not seeing your website. So that is what I wanted to show you and give you some insight on, and just try to help you out and show you how you can grow your business way bigger. It can be done, and these are some of the tips that you can use to get there. So hopefully this helps you get on that journey, and if you need any assistance with it and you want someone to execute it perfectly for you and get you ranked higher and get you on the first page of Google, me and my team, we have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge in this, and we can definitely get you on the first page and grow your business way bigger. So if you need anything, just let me know, send me a message. I'll be more than happy to help. Alrighty, but this is what I wanted to share with you, and if these tips bring value to your business and they helped you out, please just let me know. I would love to hear it. Alrighty, so I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.